Hey, Miles here, milesbeckler.com. I want to make sure you know about the newest and most important Facebook advertising training out for 2019. The training is accessible for free at milesbeckler.com/FB. I'm going to have a link pop up above my head. If you click that, it'll open in a new window and you can just get access to it right there. The training is happening live on May 23rd at 9 o'clock in the morning Pacific, noon Eastern time. I'm confident he's going to be recording it, so even if you see this video after, still visit the link, milesbeckler.com/FB, to get this live Facebook advertising training. Now, what's so important about this training is twofold. Number one, Facebook's campaign budget optimization is rolling out in just a couple of months. If you don't know about this, everyone's talking about it. They call it CBO, campaign budget optimization. Generally speaking, most advertisers run their budget optimization at the ad set level. This is exactly what I've taught in the dozens of different Facebook advertising trainings that I've got here on my YouTube channel, and honestly, it's my preferred way to run Facebook ads. Facebook is forcing us all to use campaign level budget optimization starting in a couple of months. I've been testing this on my own and I have not been able to get the same kind of results with the CBO system as the old system. Well, that's one of the key topics that he's going to be training on in this free training. So I'm tuning in, I'm all ears to figure out how to implement this new budgeting system on Facebook ads before I'm forced to figure it out, right? I'd rather refine and optimize it first rather than letting Facebook force my hand. So that's the first part. The second part is, all of my Facebook advertising runs in one vertical. I run one niche. I run one really kind of similar style of ad, similar style of campaign. You could call me a one-trick pony if you want. And I'm okay with that. But I'm always open for new ideas. And I don't run dozens and dozens of really big different tests. Well, my friend who's running that free training, he runs over 30 different Facebook ad accounts, including including Pat Flynn's Facebook advertising account and many other very successful internet marketers. So what this means is that he has more data. He's run more tests. He's in more verticals. So he has a wider picture, kind of like seeing the forest from the trees type approach to understanding Facebook advertising right now as it's working in 2019. And he is scaling some massively successful campaigns. So he's going to share everything that's working for him in 2019. And that's the second reason I'm tuning in, because I really want to be sure that I go pick up at least one or two new ideas to turn around and implement. Because when I'm taking ideas from other Facebook advertisers who are more successful than me, then I'm able to take their best ideas, simmer it down to the ones I think will have the highest likelihood of working for me. I can implement them the same day. I can start running traffic and testing them within hours, and I will know whether or not they improve my campaigns. One great idea from this training could easily mean $10, $20, $50,000 or more in additional revenue for me in my business. That's why I'm tuning on. So I want to ask you, are you currently running Facebook advertising in 2019? If so, you have to be on this training. If you are brand new to the world of Facebook advertising and you want to commit to running Facebook ads successfully, and you really want the shortcut, you want the fastest path to success, you got to be on this training so you can understand what's working for some of the smartest marketers out there. One more time, the address is milesbeckler.com/FB. I'm going to be there live tomorrow, the 23rd, and that's at 9 o'clock Pacific time, noon Eastern time. I'm sure it'll be recorded and you'll be able to get access to it after if you want. But there's nothing like being there live, being the first one to implement the idea before all of your competitors do, so you can have that little competitive advantage. I hope to see you on that training, and I will definitely catch you on my future videos. I put up 3 videos a week and I got more knowledge bombs coming your way, but I just had to make sure you know about this training so you can join me and all of the other smart Facebook marketers out there who don't want to waste their money. You don't want to be one of them, so don't do what they would do, which is miss the training. You want to be one of the successful Facebook advertisers who makes money with their Facebook ads. What do? They join in on the training, milesbeckler.com/FB. I'll see you there. Check again. See you on the next video.